Hello, in front of me I have got Canon EOS. In this video I'll show you how to adjust exposure of your camera. In the beginning, select camera mode you would like to adjust exposure on. Press this button and adjust exposure between. Blub 30, 20, 15, 4 inches, 2 inches, 1 inch, half inch, and next from quarter up to 1/4000. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.